In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Black Friday discounts countdown timer to your Shopify store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a professional looking countdown bar that creates urgency and encourages your customers to grab your Black Friday deals before time runs out. First, head over to your Shopify admin. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the small drop-down that appears, choose the option for apps. In the search field, type Hexstem and press enter on your keyboard. From the list of results, look for the Hexstem Countdown Timer Bar app. Click on it, then click the install button. Follow the installation prompts that Shopify gives you until the app is fully installed and opened. Once you're inside the Hexstem Timer Bar app, you'll see an option to enable the app embed. Click that. Shopify will take you to your online store editor. On the left-hand side, look for the toggle labeled CTB Core Snippet or similar and switch it on. This makes sure the countdown bar can appear on your storefront. Then click Save in the top right corner of the editor. After saving, look back to the left-hand panel and click the Manage App link to return to the Hexstem dashboard. Back in the Hexstem dashboard, scroll down to the bottom and click Create New Bar. As you work, keep an eye on the live preview on the right side of the screen so you can instantly see how your changes will look on your store. Start by choosing your timer style and template. Pick one that matches your brand's look and the urgency of a Black Friday sale. Give your countdown bar a clear name so you can easily find it later, especially if you plan to run multiple promotions. Next, set the message that appears before the timer. For example, Black Friday sale ends in. Then set the message that appears after the timer, such as hurry, get 30% off. Adjust the call to action. You can leave it as none, add a button that links to your sale collection, or make the entire bar clickable so customers can jump straight into shopping. Decide whether you want to include a close button by checking or unchecking that option. Then, customize the design so it fits your brand. You can edit the font style, font size, and padding to control how compact or spacious the bar feels. Set your text color, and background opacity. Remember, opacity ranges from 0 to 1. Use 0 for a fully transparent background and 1 for a solid bar. You can also choose a background style if the app offers patterns or gradients. Now configure the timer itself. Choose whether the timer should start now and simply count down to a specific date and time, or whether it should begin at a scheduled start date. For a Black Friday campaign, a common setup is to start the countdown a week before Black Friday and end it on Black Friday at 11:59 p.m. That way, customers clearly see how long they have to claim the deal. Select the timer style and make sure Show Timer Details is enabled, so days, hours, minutes, and seconds are visible. Choose the language or labels for those time units, and then customize the timer background color and digit color so they stand out clearly against your bar. Finally, set up your display configuration, such as which pages the bar should appear on, and adjust targeting settings if you want to show the bar only to certain visitors, like new customers or visitors from specific countries. If you're comfortable with code, you can also add custom CSS for more advanced styling, but this is optional. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves in the preview, click Save. Your Black Friday countdown discount timer bar is now ready and active on your Shopify store, helping you build urgency and boost conversions during one of the biggest shopping events of the year.